Simple steps that I follow when I want to use an inefficiency as my point of interest. In this video, I'm going to use Bitcoin as a point of reference. And so far, as you can see right here, if we go on the weekly time frame, you can see this inefficiency on the weekly time frame. So I marked this out when price was around this region, and I was anticipating for price to draw into that inefficiency. And after that, I was anticipating to see a rejection or a potential reaction from that key level, breaking a significant 1 hour structure. Now, why would I choose 1 hour structure out of every other time frame? The reason is very simple. I just keep it simplified. I just count 3 time frames to the left hand side from my point of interest time frame. My point of interest time frame is weekly. So I'm counting 3 time frames to the left, which is 1, 2, 3. So I just want to see a 1 hour break of structure from this key level. And if we go to 1 hour time frame, you can basically see that on the 1 hour time frame, when price came into that position, you can see right here, we created this high right here, created this low, and then eventually created this high, dropping to break this structure right here. After breaking that structure, the next thing, I'm using another inefficiency as an entry position. And where's the inefficiency? You can see there's an inefficiency right here. That's my entry position. Now I'm going to zoom in so you can see it very clearly. You can see the inefficiency here. That is my entry position. So this is basically how I use inefficiency as point of interest, entry, and also exit position. I'm going to show you an exit position as well. Stop loss, overall high right here. Now, take profit is going to be another inefficiency as well. So take profit, another inefficiency. Now right here, you can see this right here, inefficiencies. First take profit position, second take profit position, low resistance liquidity. Resting right here. You can see that very clearly. So first take profit position right here, 1:2.7. Second take profit position right here, low resistance liquidities, and that is a 1:7 risk to reward ratio right there. So the reason why I'm hunting for this is because overall, this is my 1 hour swing low. This is my 1 hour swing low that created this 1 hour swing high. And if price mitigates a weekly inefficiency or a weekly point of interest, my major low hanging fruit objective is a 1 hour swing low. So once the market takes a 1 hour swing low, I'm taking out at least 70% of my profit, and then I'm standing on the sidelines. And then you can see how nicely price came there, smashed that key level, reacted, still smashing lower. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, or you can follow me for more insights like this. I'll see you on the next one.